Hello guys, happy Thursday everyone. Good morning guys. Good morning sa lahat kong mga followers, friend and family. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Kuibis na guys. Ang bilis ng araw. Diba guys? Bukas Friday na naman. Di ang ganda ng bulak guys. Yellow. Yellow guys. See? Ng building. Ba? Ganda ng bulak. Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye. Lumilipad siya sa